I am a teacher who uses Mouse Mischief, an add-on for PowerPoint 2007 and PowerPoint 2010 that's available on Microsoft.com. Mouse Mischief lets you create multiple mouse presentations that students participate in by using their own mice. I'd like to show you how to create interactive drawing slides to develop fun and instructional content for small groups of students. I'll begin by clicking the Multiple Mouse tab. In the Layouts group, when I click the Drawing button, the first slide is automatically formatted with a palette. The palette is grayed out because drawing on Mouse Mischief slides can only be done while the presentation is playing. To create this interactive exercise for my class, I'll use the drawing options in PowerPoint. First, I'll add a title to my drawing slide by clicking inside the text box and typing. Next, I want to add some shapes and text labels. To do this, I click the Insert tab, then the text box button, and type my first label, Pentagon. I'll draw a triangle next to the Pentagon label. To do this, I return to the Insert tab, click the Shapes button, and then in the Basic Shape section, click Right Triangle. I'll add a second text box and type the next shape label, Triangle. Then draw a rectangle next to it, making sure to leave room for the last shape. For the last text box, I'll type a label for the final shape, Rectangle, and then click and drag to draw the pentagon. Now I'll select each shape and straighten it out a bit so it's right next to the label. Okay, now I want to make each one a different color so the shapes are easier to distinguish. I'll leave the triangle blue and make the rectangle orange. I select the shape, right-click, select Format Shape, and then from the Color drop-down, select Orange. I'll make the pentagon green, so I select the shape, right-click it, and pick out a nice bright green. There. So now let's see how this slide will look when I make it available to my students. See how the color palette is now available. The student selected to draw on this activity clicks a color in the palette, then draws a line to connect a label with the correct shape. Mouse Mischief helps me make PowerPoint presentations that engage my students and teach my lessons more effectively. If you haven't installed Mouse Mischief yet, you can download it from Microsoft.com.